Philippine Memory as a Resort Staff. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Uptown Mama Channel. For this video, ipakita ko kung kaunsa ko sa resort. Actually, natrabaho na ako diri sa resort. As a resort staff, all around. Tagalinis, taga-bisbis, to the all ang tawag dito. Receptionist, cashier, servidora, tagalaba, housekeeping, ug uban pa.